Hello children. So after vacation we are ready for our work. We will be starting with chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilateral. In this chapter we will first of all understand about plane surface, plane curve, polygons, regular and irregular polygons. First of all, let's understand about plane surface. What is meant by plane surface? As you can see this paper, this paper is a simple example of plane surface. But we can say that a paper is very common and simple example of a plane surface. A paper is a very common example of the plane surface. Now we will understand about plane curve. What is meant by plane curve? Now the curve which is obtained by joining the number of points consecutively without lifting the pencil from the paper. Now understand again, the curve obtained by joining the number of points consecutively without lifting the pencil or the pen from the paper is called a plane curve. For example, we did not lift our pencil here or pen here. What figure we will get? We will get a circle. So circle is very common example of the plane curve. Do understand. It says the curve obtained by joining a number of points consecutively without lifting the pencil from the paper is called a plane curve. That means we need not to lift the pencil. Simple. That is called a plane curve. और पेन को अगर हम उठा दिया तो वो प्लेन कर्व नहीं बन जाएगी. Clear? So circle is very common example of the plane curve. Now we will understand about the word polygon. What is meant by polygon? A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. A simple closed curve made up of line segment is called a polygon. For example, just see simple example. What I have made here in the form of line segments. This I have made a triangle. A triangle. So a triangle is a simple example of polygon. In the same way, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, these are all example of the polygon. These all are example of the polygon. So what is the definition of a polygon? It is a simple closed curve made up of line segment. Now I will show. This I also have made. This we can say that it is a quadrilateral. Here it resembles like a rectangle. A quadrilateral is also a simple polygon because it is made up of line segment. Now children, we will understand about classification. If it is a polygon, then what you can say about these? Just see. Will it be a polygon? No, it is not a polygon because lines intersect here. Lines intersect here, and also it is not closed, it is open from here. This figure, you can say it's polygon? No, it is also not a polygon because it is open from here. So polygon is a simple closed curve made up of only line segments. I hope it's clear now. Okay children, now we will understand classification of polygons. As you know, polygon simple closed curve made up of line segment. Now number of sides Classification. If a figure has three sides, how it will be classified? It will be classified as triangle. If it has four sides, it will be quadrilateral. A quadrilateral may be a rectangle, may be a square, or any other figure. That depends. It has four sides. Now number of sides is 5, then it will be called a pentagon. If number of sides are 6, then it will be called a hexagon. Up to these figures you people are familiar. Now I will give you the next. If number of sides are 7, then it will be called a heptagon. A polygon having 7 sides. If it is 8 sides, then it is called octagon. If it is 9 sides, then it is called nonagon. 10 sides, then it is called decagon. So classification on the basis of side. 3 sides triangle, 4 sides quadrilateral, 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon, 7 sides heptagon, 8 sides octagon, 9 sides nonagon, and 10 sides we call it as a decagon. So these are the classification of the polygons according to the sides. Now we will understand about the diagonals. Diagonals of a polygon. What is meant by diagonals? Yes, what is meant by first of all diagonal? The line segment joining the two non-conjective vertices of a polygon is called diagonal. So what is meant by diagonal? The line segment joining two non-conjective vertices of a polygon is called its diagonals. Now understand here, what is meant by non-conjective vertices? Here A and B are on the same side, same line, conjective. This A and C, B and D, sitting opposite, they are called non-conjective. So line segment joining point A and C, joining point B and D, they are called the diagonal. So in this quadrilateral, AC and BD are diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals. And on the basis of diagonals, we can say that which type of figure is convex or concave. Now we will understand about this.